In this lesson, we'll show you how to walk through the model. On the navigation bar on the right-hand side of the screen, the icon that looks like a pair of footsteps allows you to walk through, which, as the name suggests, allows you to move through the model as though you were walking through it. So if you click the walkthrough button, you'll notice your cursor changes into a pair of feet. Now if you click and hold the mouse and move it forward, you'll begin walking through the model horizontally. The further you move your mouse ahead, the faster you'll move through. Note that this moves you only in the X and Y axes. You do not move up and down with the walkthrough option. Additionally, if you move your mouse backwards, you'll begin walking backwards. As you're moving, another way to go faster is to press the Shift key. So far, we've only discussed moving forward and backward. If you want to strafe side to side, press the Control key, and if you move your mouse to the left, then you'll begin to shift to the left. Note though that this does not turn the camera, it simply moves it to the left. All of these commands are conducted using the left mouse button or the keyboard keys we discussed. If you want to actually move downward in the Z-axis, press the third mouse button, typically the wheel on most modern mice, and this will allow you to move the camera along the Z-axis. If you move the mouse down, the camera will move downward. If you move the mouse up, it'll move upward. You can combine all of these different methods in order to move through the model however you want. Let's try moving forward using the normal left-click walkthrough option. Then we'll press the middle mouse button and move the camera down through the model. This is an extremely versatile tool that allows you to get anywhere you need in your project and even simulate what the experience of moving through your constructed building will be like. So I'm going to keep on walking around the model, using the different commands that we used, so you can get a feel for how this process actually works. Note that when you're moving the camera around, the geometry is not physical. You can move the camera through any object that exists in your model. You have another option that appears in the navigation bar under the walkthrough mode, called Fly. This causes the camera to function like a flight simulator, moving forward at a constant speed and turning in the direction that you move the mouse. If you want to increase the speed at which you move forward, just like with walk, you can press the Shift key and go faster. The Fly tool isn't as precise as the walk tool. For instance, you can't move backwards, but it can be a very effective, quick way to get to a spot in your model that you want to look more closely at, without having to remember all the various keyboard shortcuts and commands that the walk tool entails. Both are extremely useful for getting an idea of how your model looks and for navigating your model when you need to work in it, and you'd be well advised to learn how to use both effectively.